Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial and we're back with another DIY press-on nails video. And this one is just pretty much me mixing some glitters from the Dollar Tree and then applying them to the nail. It's very simple, very easy, and definitely very beautiful. So after I was done pushing back my cuticles, I am just grabbing my diamond nail bit and I am just going around the cuticle area and cleaning it up a bit, and then after I will be selecting my full cover nail tips that I will have listed down below, and after I will start the process. So thank you so much once again for all the love and support, and to all my lovely subscribers. We're almost on our way to 300 subs. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So these are the materials I will be using. All these glitters are from the Dollar Tree and I did purchase these stars through Amazon. And by the way, I will be using the base coat from Gershion as an adhesive to apply these glitters. So here I am just mixing into another container all my glitters, and then I'll be shaking it up and placing it onto the nail. After what I do to place the nail on, after I'm done placing all my glitters to my liking, what I do is I apply a bit more of the base coat from Gershion onto my actual nail plate. I apply the nail on top and then I just cure it all together for 60 seconds under my UV lamp. And if you guys want your nails to last 2+ weeks, just prep and prime. I recommend the one from Models 1. It is on Amazon for $9.99. I believe it's on sale right now. I personally don't use any of those things because for video purposes, I create content very often. Therefore, I always apply a peel off coat, whether it's on camera or off, because I do pop them right off. But if you want your nails to last for a while, remember to prep and prime and add a base. here are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much once again for all the love and support. Till next time.